Okay, y'all, so this is a part of the DIY slash makeover my bedroom. So as you can see, that's my cloud. I just didn't put lights in it because I have lights on the outside and I don't trust myself. I don't have time for things to catch on fire. But what you're gonna need is a little polyfill, fiberfill, whatever you want to call it. Boom, that's what it looks like. I don't have time for a glue gun, so I bought the spray adhesive. Yeah, and you're going to need, my bad, I had to go find it, but you're gonna need these. So as y'all know, doing my room has been a struggle because I am not trying to spend an arm and leg for a bedroom. I'm just doing my room. I'm not doing anything else. So I went all around the world yesterday and couldn't find anything, and then it just dawned on me like, hey, you always said you wanted to do the little clouds, so do them. And I did one, as y'all can see, and it looked cute in the corner. So that was a test run. It looked good, and I went to the store and I went and got some out. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make one separate one, like one cloud by itself. I'm gonna make one cloud by itself, and then I am going to maybe put a water bottle, like a smaller one, like do a water bottle or something, because these are all one size. Not me over here struggling. This ain't it, but yeah. Anywho, I'm gonna make a smaller one. I don't know, because these are all one size, so I don't know what I'm gonna do, y'all, for real. I'll get there when I get there, but I'm gonna have three. I'm still gonna have three. I don't want them both to be the same size, so. Oh, and you need fish line, because it's thick and it's see-through, so you really don't see it. I'm gonna show y'all like when everything is done, but yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. I'll ball it up a little bit, and then what I do is, if you do this outside. It's just windy outside and I'm big pressed, so I got my window open. I don't have my fan on because you guys aren't gonna hear my ceiling fan. So I might kind of poison myself a little bit while I'm doing this. Don't do this. Don't do this in a closed space. Make sure you spray it good. And you just stick it like so. See? I'm gonna just do this to the rest of the lantern. Yeah. All right, so I lied. I'm on a fan because I don't have time. So once I play this back and I listen myself, I'll just do a voiceover if it sounds terrible. I cover the bottom, but I don't cover this because this is where you're gonna put the string right here. Here's another cloud. Now I gotta go put it up. I'm gonna put this behind this. Probably keep it low, like this. That's the plan. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to get this string. I'm going to get a nice amount because I want it to be low and I can always adjust it. And I'm going to do this. Jeez, key light. All right, boom. So let me, whoa. I just fell on my scissors and cut my finger. Look. This is gonna sting in the shower. Oh my God. I need another one. But like, should I bring it up? Oh, I could always adjust them. I like that better. A lot. Okay, so because I'm impatient, and I don't feel like ordering lanterns, and I don't feel like going back out, and I don't feel like spending any more money, I'm gonna put this on this some way, somehow, and I'm gonna just put some some of that stuff up here too. Okay, so this is what it looks like, glued on and all that. What I will say is when you do this and you're putting it over your bed, get things that's light just in case if something falls off, comes apart. You don't think it's the not Migos beating you up in your sleep. You know, some of us have panic attacks, anxiety, and all that in our sleep. We don't need to add this to the stress, you know? Sleep is when you sleep and you rest and you get away from the stress. We don't need that while we're asleep. Ah! So you know how I said do this in open space and outside? I had to put this on because these fumes, I'm not feeling too hot right now. I'm just like, I'm here. Like, my tummy's starting to hurt. My hair's starting to hurt. I don't need all y'all health experts telling me. I already know this. I told you ahead of time, do not do this in your room. But I was pressed and it's windy outside and it's getting dark. So leave me alone. People say they put water jugs.
It looks so good, Auntie. Oh, I love that you can pull it.
Yeah.
So are you gonna leave it kind of like that, like make it customizable? When the light catches
it. It is cameras.
I just hope one day they get better.
All right, y'all. So this is this. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean my room up and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all what it look like when I hit these other lights. Because like I said, I'm not putting them inside. Like we doing it the other way. Like when you YouTube this and Google it, you're gonna see people with lights in it. But mine ain't gonna be like that because I'm different. So I'll be back. Okay, y'all. So I'm done with that little project. I can't show y'all the rest of my room, but this is what y'all gonna look at for right now. So let me just show y'all real fast what it look like when the lights is off. Ooh, ta-da! That is just so cute. Like, I feel like this ain't doing it no justice. Wait, okay, so this is what it looks like. And I really like it, you know? For this to just be off a whim and just randomly, like, just, you know, what you gonna do to make your room look cute? Cause you cheap, kid, like, and this is it. Like, y'all, listen. Like, listen. I mean, I'm gonna get rid of that because it's black and the theme we are going for is gray. But yeah, I should make this a series on how I'm like building my room up. I don't know because I'm not doing that much to it, but you know, this is gonna conclude this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. You know, bring the likes up, get this trend and do what we need to do, because I know y'all gonna ask me how I did it, because some of y'all like things like this like me. So until next time, y'all.